Professional production of no-fire brick-making machines. China Brick-Making Machine Strengths Factory. Products exported to many countries. Widely used in the construction engineering industry. The machine can produce different bricks by changing different molds.